Hi, so in this session we are going to discuss about n-queen problem. Okay, so what is n-queen problem? Again, it's a typical backtracking problem, and what we need to solve is we are given a n cross n chessboard and we need to put n queens on it. We need to put n queens on it such that no queen cross each other. No queen cross each other. So a queen can move in all 8 possible directions. That means if you have a chessboard like here, it is 8 cross 8. Let's say I have a 4 cross 4 chessboard. If you have a Q here, it can move here, 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 here. It can be upwards anything. If there is more rows in the there are more rows in the chessboard, here, here, diagonally as well, here and here, in all 8 possible directions. So queen can move this, that way. So no queen cross each other. That means if a Q is present here, no Q is present in the all of these paths. No Q should be present in all of these paths. So if you have a chessboard like here, Q here, it is clear that you cannot put anything in this row and in this column. It is quite clear. You cannot put Q here because this will cut. You can put Q here. You cannot put Q here, Q here, Q here, not Q, because if you put Q here, this will cut. 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 So if you need to place 4 queens on a 4 cross 4 chessboard, I think one way can be if you put Q here, Q here, Q here and Q here. This is one way, because this is neither cutting in any of the way. No Q is present, here also no queen is present, here also no queen is present, here also no queen is present. So this is the perfect way to place 4 queens on a 4 cross 4 chessboards. So what's your problem is that you will need to give me that if you are given n queens, you need to tell me that print all the possible ways of placing n queens on n cross n chessboard. Okay, that's the way you need to solve. Okay, and you know no queen can cross each other. That means a Q can move in all 8 possible directions. So you have to make sure that it is not happening. No Q, no queens are crossing each other. Okay, so it's a typical backtracking problem. And how will we solve that? So we will take a n cross n chessboard. Let's say we have a 4 cross 4 chessboards and we need to place 4 queens on this board. So you will start from here. In the first row you will start, you will put Q here, you will go on further, you will try to put Q here, you cannot put it because Q is present here, you cannot put here because Q is present here, you can put here, you will put it and move on further in the next row. You will come here, you cannot put here, you cannot put here, you cannot put here, you cannot put here, because here this will cut, here this will cut, here this will cut, here this Q will cut. Okay, so you will come back, you have explored this path, you will place Q here. Again you have placed Q here, you cannot place here. Why? Because this Q will cut. You can place Q here because nobody will cut. Then you will move on to the next row. Here Q cannot be placed because this will cut. Here Q cannot be placed because this will cut. Here Q cannot be placed. Why? Because this will cut. Here Q cannot be placed because this will cut. So you will come back here, you have placed Q here, you will try to place here, you cannot place it because this will cut. You will try to place it, you cannot place it, you will come back. You have explored all the paths to this, you will go back. Now you have explored all the paths to this, so you will try to place Q here. So now you will start exploring when you are placing Q here. Okay, now what you will do is you cannot place here because this Q will cut, you cannot place here because this Q will cut, you cannot place here because this Q will cut. You can place here and you will move on further. Can you place Q here? Yes, you can place Q here because nobody will cut. Then you will move on to the next row. This Q will, you cannot place here because this will cut, you cannot place it because this will cut, you can place here because nobody will cut. You will go, you have crossed the number of rows. So this is the one way when your number of rows, this is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, you have row number greater than 4. That means you found a one way, you print it and go back. If you try to explore again, you cannot place Q here because this will cut, so you will go back. Now you have placed Q here, you will try to explore here. Can you place here? No, because this will cut. Can you place here? No, this will cut. Can you place here? No, this will cut. You will go back. You have explored all the paths. Now you will go back again. Now you will try to explore the paths by putting a Q here. Now you have put the Q here. Can you place here? Yes, you can place here because nobody will cut. You will move on to the next row. No, you cannot place here. Can you place here? No, you cannot place here because this will cut. Can you place here? No, this will cut here. Can you place here? Yes, you can place here because nobody will cut. then you will come to this. No, you cannot place here because this will cut. Can you place here? Yes, you can place here. This is another way, because you will go to the next row, you have crossed the number of rows, you have explored all of these paths. Now you will go back. This has been done. You will try to place here, you cannot place here because this will cut and this will cut. You cannot place here because this will cut. You will go back. This has been explored. This is done. Now this path has been explored. You will go back here, try to Q place it, because you cannot place it because this will cut. Can you place it? No, because this will cut. Can you place it? No, you cannot place it because this will cut. So you will go back and try to explore by placing a Q here. Can you place here? Yes, you can place it because nobody will cut. You will go to the next row. Can you place here? No, because this will cut. Can you place here? Yes, you can place here. Then you will move on to the next row. Can you place here? No, because this will cut. Can you place here? No, this will cut. Can you place here? No, this will cut. Can you place here? No, this will cut. This has been explored. Can you place here Q? No. You will go back. You will try to put Q here. Can you place here? Yes, you can place here. You will try to put in the next row. Can you place here? No, because this will cut. Here this will cut. Here this will cut. Here this will cut. So you will go back. You will try. Can you place here Q? No, because this will cut. Can you place here Q? No, this will cut. So you will go back. You explore all the paths, and effectively you have print 2 of the solutions which came in the 4x4 chessboard. So this is the typical backtracking problem. You will start from first row. Try to put on each column wherever you can explore. When you are putting, try to think that whether you can place here or not. You will explore in all the 8 directions. You can check in all the 8 directions that whether you can place a Q here or not. Can you place here a Q or not? You can have a condition that whether I can place a Q or not. If yes, you will put here and move on further. Move on further, move on further. You will keep on moving. If you have reached row number greater than n, that means you have placed all the Qs. That means you can print your path. Okay, that's a question you need to solve. That's the concept of backtracking. Please try yourself. You will be given a number n. You need to just apply the algorithm of backtracking. Try to place the Q if possible, and possible conditions are you can check in all the 8 directions. You are given a x and y for that number, for that Q where you need to place, and you can check in all the 8 directions and accordingly work on that. Okay, we will be doing the code in the next session. Please make sure you understand the concept of backtracking here, that is exploring all the paths till we reach the last row. Okay, so in the next session we are going to code and move on further. Okay, great. Thank you.